Hello! Magandang umaga sa lahat. Good morning everyone. Good morning. Welcome here at Terminal 1. Hello Terminal 1. Na malapit nang matapos ang renovation. And today is holiday. Ayun na mga pal. Kitang-kita ko na yung mga FAL units, FAL aircraft. Oh, lawak na ng parking. Lawak na si parking. Ganda ng weather today, guys. Thank you Lord for the good weather. Thank you Lord for this good weather. Still under renovation. Ganda na. Little by little, gumanda na yung Terminal 1. Alright. Thank you for watching, guys. And that is the update here at the airport. NAIA Terminal 1. Alright, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you. This day, Labor Day. Today is Labor Day. Alright. Bye, guys. Thank you.